In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV step by step. If you've decided you no longer need it or want to save money, this guide will make the process quick and painless. First, open the YouTube TV app on your phone or go to tv.youtube.com on your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has the NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Membership tab. You'll see all your active memberships, including NFL Sunday Ticket. Click on NFL Sunday Ticket and then select Cancel Membership. YouTube TV will ask you to confirm your cancellation and may offer options to pause or keep the subscription until the end of the billing cycle. Choose the option that works best for you and confirm. Once done, you should see a confirmation message that your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription has been canceled. It's important to note that canceling will stop future payments, but you may still have access until the current billing period ends. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation from YouTube TV. That's it. Canceling NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV is that simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on streaming services.